Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel, which is always linked in the description box below, and it is Life as Mona B, where I share the behind the scenes of my life. And I'm actually going to be going out today, so if you guys want to see me rock this hair out and about, make sure you guys go and subscribe to the vlog channel and check out the videos, and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. So today I'm bringing y'all another wig. It is a curly unit, which I absolutely love. It's so pretty, so pretty. So you guys know I try to bring you guys like more affordable options and things of that nature. The unit that I am rocking is from My Quality Hair. I have worked with them in the past, so if you guys are interested in checking out those videos, I will link them in the description box below. They do sell quality wigs at a very affordable price, So the unit that I have on my hair today is Afro Kinky curly wig. It is in a texture Indian Remy hair. It's in a natural color. It is 14 inches, 150 density. It has a 6-inch lace frontal, medium lace color, and a cap size small. So they do offer this in different limbs, different cap sizes, and things of that nature. Now I believe this is my first time getting like Afro Kinky and Indian Remy, and I definitely can tell a difference in the hair. In my opinion, it's way more defined, which I absolutely like that. You can puff it out and make it bigger, but I'm just gonna rock it like this. And this is literally just air dried. I didn't use my diffuser or anything on it. I absolutely love this unit. I think it is so cute. It was very easy to install. My baby hairs was giving me a little grief today, but hey, it is what it is. You do not have to do baby hairs with this unit, but they do pluck it. It already comes pre-plucked, so I didn't even bother with plucking it because sometimes I just get over it, y'all. They had already bleached the knots. That's what it looked like to me. So all I did was put foundation on my lace, and that was all I did. I feel like the density is great. I feel like it's very realistic, and I really like that. And this unit is super duper affordable, y'all. It is really, really affordable. So make sure you guys check the link in the description box below so you guys can see how affordable this unit is. And if you use my coupon code MONA10, you will get $10 off orders over $100. So make sure you guys use my coupon code. But they do offer an array of wigs on their site. They have so many options to choose from because I have worked with them in the past, so that's why I know this. They have so many options, guys, so many options, and so far so good. I have yet to review something from them that I just do not like. I love the length on this unit. I did not cut it or anything, y'all. I didn't cut this bang. This is just how it was laying. I just parted it and it just laid how I needed it to do. It's doing what it needs to do. So yes, I'm getting ready to go out into the world and slay this bomb unit or whatever. I really, really like it. Like, I just think it is so cute. And it is, I feel like the reason why it has great density too, because it's not a full lace. They do have tracks in the back, which I really, really like. So yes, y'all definitely will be seeing me rocking this unit. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous, and it does have minimal shedding. The shedding isn't too bad or anything like that. So yes, if you have never heard of My Quality Hair, you should definitely go and check them out because I've worked with them in the past. I really like their units, and they are on the affordable side. So if you're a person that doesn't like to spend a lot of money on wigs, this site is definitely going to be for you. Yes. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video. So this is what your box will look like from My Quality Hair. Super cute. I love it. They insert a slip letting you know what you got, a wig cap, an elastic band, some combs, and an edge brush. And this is how your wig comes packaged. It comes packaged with a hairnet and everything on it, which I love. I love when companies do that. And this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. It wasn't hard or anything. It was super soft. As you guys can see, it looks like they already bleached the knots. They pre-plucked the hairline, and the lace color is brown. It has tracks in the back, and it has adjustable straps and combs, and I did take the combs out, but I just wanted to show you guys what the unit looked like straight out of, you know, the packaging and everything. It looked really, really good. Nothing was out of place, so I was very impressed with that. So you guys already know I like to go ahead and co-wash my units when I get them, so I'm just gonna co-wash it with some Suave conditioner. And first I'm gonna get it really saturated first. You know, you want to make sure it's really, really wet, And then I'm going to apply the Suave conditioner. And Suave conditioner is like one of my favorite conditioners to wash my wigs with, because it gives the hair so much slip and is very affordable. You guys can see my hands are literally gliding through the hair. This hair has so much definition, y'all. It's like insane. I don't think I've ever seen like an Afro Kinky curly wig with this much definition. Like, the definition is crazy. And this is how much shedding I got, so not a lot at all. So I'm just going to spray some leave-in conditioner, and all the products that I use will be in the description box below. So I'm just going to scrunch that into the hair, and then I'm going to let the hair air dry overnight. And I like to flip my curly hair upside down on a towel and let it dry like this. It scrunches the curls and keeps the definition when you let it dry like that. So it is the next day. As y'all can see, I got my gel braids in. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. I'm going to lay down my baby hair so I can get the application process started. I removed all of the combs out of the wig, and so I'm just going to go ahead and strap up the elastic bands to my liking. Now this is a cap size small, guys, so this wig fits my head really snug, which I like because I have a tiny head. So yeah, but they do offer different like wig cap sizes and everything. So I did go ahead and cut the lace off, and now I'm just trying to get the wig situated, you know, on my head, making sure, you know, it's going to be fitting right around the ear tabs and everything like that. So I decided to take some of my foundation and put it on the lace just so that it will blend in with my skin. Now this step is definitely optional. You do not have to like gel your unit down, but I'm using the yellow Got To Be Glue gel, and I'm just going to lay my unit down because I want it to be super secured, you know. And then I'm just going to fan the gel until it gets tacky and apply my wig to my liking. Then I'm just using my rat tail comb to push everything into place so that it's, you know, nice and secured. So once I'm all done, I'm just going to spray some Got To Be Glue Freeze spray on the perimeter of the lace just to ensure that everything, like, you know, stays in place. I'm not no pro at frontals. I just do what I can. And then I'm going to tie my hair up, put the scarf on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I took the scarf off, and then I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I'm combing the hair around the perimeter back, just to make sure everything is laid down into place. And then I'm going to take some alcohol and clean up the excess spray and gel that was around the hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and create some baby hairs. Now this step is definitely optional. The wig does come with baby hairs, but I went ahead and cut them a little bit shorter, and then I just used some styling moves to lay them down. And once I got them to look how I wanted them to be, I did go back and apply a little bit of Eco Styler gel on top. So I decided to do a deep side part. Y'all know I love a deep side part, so that's what I'm doing here. So I decided to go ahead and put some hair behind my ear and leave out my little sideburn on the side. So that's what I did, and I kind of like trimmed it down. So I went ahead and fluffed out the hair a bit with my paddle brush just to give it a little bit more volume. And guys, as you wear this hair throughout the day, it can get really big, which I like, and the definition stays, like it doesn't like poof out on you. So this is what the hair looks like from all angles. I love it so much. It is so cute. Y'all have to let me know what y'all think in the comments below. We're not done. So this is what the wig looked like the next day, guys. I wanted to show you how to refresh the hair. Excuse my lace because I did not tie my hair down properly, so my lace did come up, but just excuse that. Just make sure you tie yours down properly. So this is just how the hair looked, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to refresh it. I'm literally just using a spray bottle of water because you guys remember we had already put leave-in conditioner in the hair, so you don't want to keep adding a whole lot of product because it'll just weigh the hair down. But as you guys can see, just from me spraying the water is literally refreshing the hair, and it is bomb, y'all. This hair is amazing. It's super easy to refresh, as you guys can see. And now we're back in action just like that. So I definitely wanted to show you guys this. Make sure you guys check out myqualityhair.com. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will be linked in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.